Nosocomial and opportunistic infections. Nosocomial infection, hospital-acquired infection. It is an infection acquired because of hospital stay. Sources: contaminated infected wounds, urinary tract, respiratory tract infections. Opportunistic infections, abdominal wounds with severe sepsis. Spread can occur from one patient to another, through nurses or hospital staff who fail to practice strict asepsis. B. It is more common in XX diabetics, immunosuppressed individuals, XX patients on steroid therapy and life-supporting machines, XX instrumentations, indwelling catheter, IV cannula, tracheostomy tube, patients with artificial prosthesis. Organism: Staphylococcus aureus is the most common organism causing hospital-acquired wound infection. Others are Pseudomonas, Klebsiella, E. coli, Proteus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus, herpes, varicella, Aspergillus, Pneumocystis carinii are the most common pathogens involved in hospital-acquired respiratory tract infection which spreads through droplets. Klebsiella is the most common pathogen involved in hospital-acquired UTI which is highly resistant to drugs. Management: most of the time, organisms involved are multidrug resistant, virulent and hence, cause severe sepsis. Antibiotics: isolation, blood, urine, pus for culture and sensitivity to isolate the organisms. Blood transfusion, plasma or albumin therapy. Ventilator support, maintaining optimum urine output, nutritional support. Prevention: isolation of patients with badly infected open wounds, severe RTI, UTI. Following strict aseptic measures in OT and in ward by hospital attendants. Proper cleaning and use of disinfectant lotions and sprays for bedpans, toilets and floor. The precipitating causes have to be treated, along with caring for proper nutrition and improving the anemic status by blood transfusion. Opportunistic infections. They are normally of low pathogenicity, occur through therapeutic invasive procedures and are common in immune deficiency status. B. Immune deficiency may be due to XX diabetes, HIV, steroid therapy, starvation and old age, XX radiotherapy, cytotoxic chemotherapy, XX immunosuppressive therapy in transplantation. Therapeutic invasive procedures may be in the form of IV cannula, bladder catheter, tracheostomy and other minor surgical procedures which permit the skin organisms like Staphylococcus epidermidis to penetrate the skin and invade the deeper tissues. B. Organisms: XX bacteria, gram-negative, E. coli, Pseudomonas, Klebsiella, Proteus, Serratia. XX gram-positive, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Streptococcus pneumoniae. XX viruses, herpes, CMV, varicella zoster, may cause fatal pneumonia. XX fungal, Candida, Aspergillus, yeast. XX protozoal, Cryptosporidia, causes diarrhea, Pneumocystis carinii. Because of the poor defense mechanism, infection is severe and often life-threatening. Investigations: swab culture, blood culture, pus culture. Treatment: 3/4. These infections are difficult to treat as they are often multidrug resistant. Combination of broad-spectrum antibiotics, cephalosporins, aminoglycosides, metronidazole are given. Depending on culture and sensitivity, appropriate antibiotics are given. 3/4. Often ventilatory support and critical care are necessary.